Hey guys, what's up? Sam is here from Sampoy Tech. After a long time, believe me, I know I miss you too. But have you ever heard of House Club? It's for iPhone, it's for iOS. Yes, I know. But today I'm gonna show you how can you install it on your Android. So stay with me for the rest of the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So Clubhouse is an iPhone-only voice chatting application that individual can host or join different conversation. But a developer ported that application for Android users as well. So right now you can install it on your phone. But personally, I can't guarantee the security of the application because just a developer ported it for Android users. But if you are that suspicious, you can check it on GitHub because it's open source, and I will put a link in the description if you want to check it out. So without wasting time, let's head to the application. First of all, of course, you need an invitation from one of your friends because you need an invitation for this application. But first time when you sign up in the application, it needs your number. So you put your number and you will receive the confirmation code. And after that, the application is so simple because it's ported just for Android. It doesn't have lots of features. For example, you can search in the groups. First, when you get to the application, in the first page, you see groups that you can join and talk. And these pages are based on your following and followers, so you can search anything. At this time, the application is so basic. Hopefully, they will release the official version very soon, or the developer of this ported version will add features. Right now, you can just join the groups. For example, let's just join LOL. That was rude. You can hear other people talking. You can raise your hand and ask the host to talk in that group. And in top right corner of your phone, you can see an icon of your personal profile. And you can see who invited you, who you are following, who is following you, and all of this. As I told you, the application is so simple right now, but hopefully you can enjoy it. At least you can have it on your Android and join meeting with your friends and talk to them. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question, write me on the comment section of this video or DM me on Instagram. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. See you on the next one.